Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix MSI Afterburner is not opening. So if I try to open MSI Afterburner, as you can see here, nothing happens. It's like freezes a bit, or just it looks like it's gray button and I cannot even press it, right? So what you need to do here first is to go to installed apps. Click on installed apps, look for MSI Afterburner first, and just uninstall it from your computer. As you can see here, it's MSI Afterburner 4.645. Just uninstall this, right? Wait for a couple of seconds until uninstall process is done. And then I will show you what you need to do next, right? After it's done, then what you need to do here is to open up your browser. Go to msi.com, or just from Google, you just need to write MSI Afterburner. And then download a beta version here, not the final one, but beta here, right? And wait until installation download process is done. And once you got the file downloaded, just right click on it, go to extract all, and extract your computer, desktop, really doesn't matter where, and then just install MSI Afterburner Beta 5, because it's a common issue. It's not opening for a lot of computers, especially NVIDIA users. So we just need to wait until installation process is done here. Just select language, click next, accept here, pretty common here, and then install it here. And then, as you can see here, if I launch MSI Afterburner, it should work for me. Yeah, it's working. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like.